welcome to Biraja Tv. Odisha confirmed 6 more COVID deaths. Bhubaneswar, the Health and Family Welfare Department of Odisha on Monday confirmed the death of 6 more persons due to COVID-19. Details of the case confirmed as death due to COVID-19 after due complication of the death already processed as under. A 45-year-old male of Bhubaneswar and a 46-year-old male of Baleshwar, a 52-year-old male of Cuttack, a 64-year-old male of Odia, and a 64-year-old male of Puri, and 37-year-old male of Puri. The department further stated that this list does not reflect death occurring on particular day. It gives detail of the past deaths for which the death already process has been delayed, completed, and the cause of the death has been identified as due to COVID-19. Thank you.